So something cool that you can notice about the killer whales is their coloring. So they have two types of really unique coloring. One of them is called counter shading, which you see on a lot of marine animals. You can see it on penguins, killer whales, dolphins, sharks, bat rays. Pretty much every animal that you're going to see here at SeaWorld has counter shading. So that's going to be the dark color on top and the light color underneath. So if you think about being out in the middle of the ocean, if you look down, it looks very dark. So that's why you think about that dark color on top. If you swim underneath you and you're on the top and look down, she would blend in. If you're on the bottom of the ocean and you look up, it looks much lighter. So with that light underside, if she was to swim above you, she would blend in. Killer whales, though, are the top predator in the ocean. So they pretty much eat whatever they want. So that coloring is more for them to blend in and hunt their prey. And they have another type of coloring that helps them with that, and that is called disruptive coloring. So you might notice that she has that big white eye patch, that white patch that goes back towards her tail, as well as a gray saddle patch on her back. So as she goes around to the back of the pool, you can take a look at that with that filtered sunlight coming down. Those patches kind of help break up her body and make her look like she could possibly be several small animals instead of one big predator. So that helps them blend in so that their prey don't realize that a big predator is coming after them until it's too late. That's also, again, why they're called killer whales. Originally, they were called whale killers because they will actually hunt whales that are much larger than themselves, even blue whales. So even recently, there was a pod of about 30 killer whales that attacked a 16-foot blue whale. And depending on the pod size, they live in family groups called pods as a very cohesive group, and some of those individuals will stay in that group for their entire lives. They form very close bonds with the other whales in their group. But depending on how big that pod is and where that pod lives can depend on